Dream Home Storewell containers are made from 100% food grade virgin raw material. All containers are BPA free, dishwasher safe, microwave safe. They also come with a plastic spoon inside. These kitchen storage containers are available in various sizes, ranging from 250 ml to 10 liters. Let's check few of these sizes now. They have ultra-modern foil printing with an appealing look. These containers are sturdy and durable. From over 12 years, Dream Home Plastorware India has been manufacturing and supplying quality products across India. They have over 250 plus products for household needs, which includes kitchen storage containers, lock and lock containers, lunch boxes, airtight containers, bowls, plates, candy jars, gifting products, casseroles, cloth hangers, bottles, bathroom accessories like bucket, patla, cutlery holders, tub, etc. Color options for printed containers are pink, blue, brown, and grey. Color options for plain containers are brown and blue. Dream Home quality products are available at offline retail stores, Vishal Mega Mart stores, Super 99 stores, more hypermarkets, Metro Cash and Carry stores, V-Mart stores, City Card stores, etc. They are also available on all major e-commerce marketplaces such as Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Big Basket, etc. This stylish egg box can store up to 10 eggs and comes with a egg tray in it to keep the eggs safe and fresh. Max Fresh Containers combo set of 4 containers is ideal for storing fruits or vegetables or dry foods. This is cold and heat resistant, microwave safe, BPA free and food grade material. Let's check each of these. They come in 4 different sizes and are convenient to store items of different sizes.